There might be some more coming past as well, I think, with Amanda. On Pop says, good girl. I'll keep you out the video. You're going to be broadcast around the world. Sorry? Oh right, I wouldn't worry about that. Thank you. Come on, Pops.